Hello all, I'm sitting inside of this BMW E93 2008 convertible with factory CCC iDrive system in it. Today we actually replaced the display of this vehicle, so what you're seeing right now is a new screen showing the same factory iDrive. You might be able to check with it's a little bit more crispy and a little bit brighter screen compared to the old factory one, which now has been removed from the vehicle. There's a new screen took over and uses the existing video source from the head unit. So apart from that, it also has a built-in Android system as well. So in order to access it is you can either touch the screen, which will bring the Android system straight away, or if you press and hold of the menu button right below iDrive controller, the screen switches back between the factory iDrive and the Android system straight away. As it's an Android system built in, comes with the standard Android apps, and you can mainly heavily depend on like navigation apps such as Google Map, or it uses the media apps and also ability to download some additional apps as well from the Play Store. But since the Android version of this monitor is 4.4, there's a bit of a limit with the Android apps you can install and download. But still, as long as they are compatible, it will provide a full performance, fully displayed on its 8.8 screen. And apart from those Android built-in features, as we said, there's a capability of installing another app or APK files. So we can also install an Apple CarPlay as well on this Android platform. So what we did was we installed this Apple CarPlay app called AutoPlay, and there's a currently iPhone being connected. So when you select this AutoPlay app, it goes to CarPlay straight away. It's not the emulator version, it's the exactly same CarPlay system you can find it from other cars or other audio system. It just runs to the app that's designed for Android. And from here, as you can see, you can still use the factory iDrive controllers, or you can just use the voice command, do the Siri obviously, or you can just simply touch the screen. As I said, it still uses the Siri from your iPhone as well, so when you say, "Hey Siri, take me to nearest petrol station."
The closest one I found is BP on Dawson Street in Brunswick West. Want to try that one?
Yes.
Getting directions to BP. Engle Street.
As you can see, it responds to your voice guidance and speaks to the car speakers, which currently has been connected between monitor and the car sound system to the internal auxiliary input. So you do not need to connect your phone to anywhere else, just single USB port. And once it's done, the monitor and the CarPlay app will do the rest.